In the 1930s, the American Midwest faced an unprecedented environmental disaster known as the Dust Bowl. Severe drought, combined with poor farming practices, stripped the land of its topsoil, creating massive dust storms that swept across the plains. These storms, often referred to as black blizzards, obliterated visibility, wreaked havoc on crops, and made breathing difficult for both people and livestock. The agricultural devastation forced thousands of families to abandon their farms. Many migrated westward to California in search of better opportunities, becoming known as Okies. This era not only reshaped the landscape, but also profoundly impacted American society and culture, highlighting the importance of sustainable farming practices.